The industry needs to upgrade from GF4 to GF5 to meet the demands of our consumer who are focused on environmental issues. So specifically, the upgrade from GF4 to GF5 will provide benefits from a fuel efficiency standpoint and also from the perspective of guaranteeing emissions protections with our vehicles. And of course, customers, in addition to manufacturers, are always interested in the protection of our engine technology. And so the improvement in robustness from GF4 to GF5 is also important. Manufacturers are interested in ensuring emissions system protection for their customers. And in addition to the manufacturer's interest in promoting green technology, we also are required to meet certain regulatory demands that the federal government and certain state governments place on manufacturers, automotive manufacturers. And so in the time frame of GF5, there are additional new light-duty emission requirements that manufacturers will be forced to meet. And to best ensure that we have the capability to meet these regulations over the lifetime of the vehicle, it's important that we get the additional emission system protection that we're aiming for with GF5. So the manufacturer requirements from a mileage perspective aren't changing, but manufacturers will be facing cold temperature emission requirements, which is a new area of control. The regulations are being phased in starting in 2010 and will proceed through 2011, 2012, 2013, and et cetera. So obviously, GF5 falls squarely in the time frame that manufacturers are looking for additional controls and additional emission system protection. Our biggest concerns with GF5 are timing and fuel efficiency. Obviously, there's a national focus currently on fuel efficiency, and so all manufacturers are interested in ensuring fuel efficiency improvements. We need these improvements in relatively short order, and so getting GF5 for the 2011 model year is a strong priority for Toyota and for the industry. The opportunities that GF5 brings to Toyota are similar to the opportunities that it will afford to the entire industry, namely fuel efficiency. Our customers are interested in fuel efficiency. They're interested in CO2 emissions. We're interested in providing a product that ensures an improvement in fuel efficiency from the current category. Likewise, our customers are very interested in green vehicles and protecting the environment. So anything, even small things that we can do that ensures the viability of the emission system protection is something that we're very enthusiastic about. And of course, we're also always looking for opportunities to improve the robustness of the oil and ensure that any change that we bring to the category protects for engine hardware that we may be employing currently or in the lifetime of GF5. The biggest hurdle that we face in finalizing GF5 currently is the timing. 2011 model year is the target, and it's very critical for manufacturers that we stick to that. It's a challenge. However, it's also an opportunity for manufacturers to come together with our colleagues from the oil companies and the additive companies and work together to put together a consensus specification that really protects for all of the needs that our customers are demanding. I think looking toward the future, the biggest challenges that we as a company, and frankly we as an industry will face, will be continuing to work together toward consensus recommendations. There's obviously a lot of national focus on environmental issues, fuel efficiency, and manufacturers are taking those issues and our customers' demands and interests into account. As a result, manufacturers are employing a lot of different technologies to meet the demands of our customers and of the federal government.